Have you ever said, "I'll start tomorrow," or "I still have time"? We all say it. It sounds harmless. It feels safe. But every tomorrow quietly takes something from us. Not loudly, not suddenly, but slowly. This is the story of a boy named Ryan. Ryan lived in a small, peaceful town. He had loving parents, supportive teachers, and big dreams. He wanted to become a software developer one day. He talked about building apps, making money online, starting his own company. But there was one problem. Ryan loved planning, but he hated starting. When his teacher gave him a project, he said, "I'll do it this weekend." When his father told him to learn coding seriously, he replied, "I'm still young." When his friends joined online courses, he said, "I'll join next month." Days passed. Ryan spent hours scrolling on his phone, watching videos, saving motivational quotes. He loved success stories, but he never wrote his own. Months later, exams came. He told himself, "I work better under pressure." But pressure didn't help. His grades dropped. His confidence dropped. Still, he said, "It's okay, I have time." One evening, Ryan's grandfather visited him. His grandfather was a simple man, but very wise. He saw Ryan scrolling on his phone. He didn't shout. He didn't scold. Instead, he asked a simple question. "Ryan, do you hear that sound?" Ryan looked confused. "What sound?" "The clock," his grandfather said softly. "It never stops, even when you do." Ryan laughed. "It's just a clock." His grandfather smiled. "Exactly, it's just a clock, but it keeps moving, and so does your life." That night, Ryan couldn't sleep. He stared at the ceiling, listening to the ticking clock. Tick, tick, tick. Each second felt louder. He thought about all the courses he saved, all the plans he made, all the times he said, "Later." The next morning, something changed. Not dramatically, not magically. He didn't wake up as a new person. But he did one small thing. He opened his laptop, and instead of watching another video, he started learning. Just 30 minutes. The next day, again 30 minutes. Then 1 hour. Some days were hard. Some days he felt lazy. But he remembered the clock. It never stopped. After 6 months, Ryan completed his first real project. It wasn't perfect, but it was done. After 1 year, he started freelancing online. After 2 years, he had real clients. People began asking him, what changed? Ryan would smile and say, "Nothing changed. I just stopped waiting." Success didn't come in 1 day, but regret stopped growing. Here's the truth. Time does not shout. It whispers. It doesn't push you. It passes you. Successful people and unsuccessful people have the same 24 hours. The difference? One respects time. The other assumes there is more. Right now, as you are listening to this, the clock is moving. The question is not, do you have time? The question is, what are you doing with it? You don't need a perfect plan. You don't need perfect motivation. You just need to start. Small steps. Today. Because the clock will not stop for you. And one day, you don't want to look back and say, "I had time, but I didn't use it." So ask yourself, what have you been postponing? What dream is waiting for you to stop saying, "Tomorrow"? Your time is moving. Start now. Not next week, not next month. Now. If this story made you think, comment one thing you will start today. And remember, the clock is still ticking.